Okay, so just going to look at a couple more things here with the surface. One of those, I suppose, is just if we click on it and look at it in the object viewer here, we should see if there's any kind of spikes, and you see that there are a few places it's spiking down to 0, okay, or below 0. So one quick way of fixing that is, if I know that, you know, there's no points, or should be no points in my survey that are below, say 20 meters for example, or 10 meters, then what I can do is I can click on the surface, go to surface properties, definition, build, and then exclude levels less than, we say 10. Click OK, rebuild. Let's actually put back in some of those triangles that I deleted, so I'll just get rid of those quickly. And if I look at it in the object viewer now, that gets rid of those spikes. Okay. The other thing I might want to do is hide areas where we had no survey. So for example, in here with a marsh, and what I can do is just draw a polyline around an area. Okay, just doing this very quickly. So a normal AutoCAD polyline, closed polyline, and then what I can do is add that as a boundary, a hide boundary. So if I click on my surface, go to add data, boundaries, hide, tick non-destructive, so it'll just drape that polyline onto the surface and triangulate up to it. It won't break any of the existing triangles. And click OK on that, select the polyline, press enter, and it just trims the just trims that piece out of the surface. Okay. Okay, so what I can do then is, once I'm sort of satisfied with that, I can change the surface style. So if you click on the surface, I'll just press Control and 1 there to open up the properties, and I can change the style here, maybe to contours 1 and 5. If I want contours at a tighter range, you can pick one of, or tighter interval, you can pick one of the other styles, or you can create your own. So if I scroll down here, go to Create, Edit, and copy current selection, I'll just say contours, we'll say 0.25 and 1. Go to contours, contour intervals, and change that 0.25 and 1. And then on the display tab you can change the colors here if you want. You can see the AutoCAD layer that's in use for each of these bits, and I can override the colors here if that's what you want to do. Click OK on that, and OK, and then we've got our own custom surface style made. Okay.